A very good morning from my model airport, where today we will be plane spotting. It is a busy day today with a lot of aircraft on the ground being prepared for takeoff. There are a lot of special aircraft like the AN225 and Boeing Dreamlifter expected to land today, and on the airport there are still some nice winter decorations around. Today we are standing at the end of runway 27, where we'll see the inbound landing aircraft coming really low over our heads. The first aircraft being the Antonov AN225 from Kiev. Up next we have another huge aircraft, the Airbus A380 from Emirates coming from Dubai. This is a Thai Airbus A350 in from Bangkok. This is the Boeing Dreamlifter in from Charleston, the USA. Up next is this Airbus A350 departing to Johannesburg. This is the KLM Orange Pride 777 in from Sao Paulo. Here we have an unknown US Air Force B-1 Lancer. Next up is this Singapore Boeing 787 Dreamliner. And the wind seems to have picked up at the airport where we have this Ryanair 737 trying to land. And it seems to have gone around. Let's see how it does with the second try. And it seems to have gone around again. It must land now, otherwise it should divert to another airport. And luckily everybody is safely on the ground. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please consider to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.